Alright, my name is Jacob Buck, and today I'm just going to make a quick video showing how we can do a green screen effect in order to get a person into a scene. So we're going to go ahead and start a new composition, new project. I'm not going to bother saving this since I'm going to recreate it, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my footage, which I have saved on my computer. See raw, and I want to take this and drag and drop it into my scene. And we want the green screen on top. Go ahead and rename the layer green screen. Okay. So what we want to start off with is in your effects, find key light and drag and drop it on top, and take this little eyedropper by screen color and select green on your scene. And what that'll do is that'll select the person and put them into the scene. What I'm going to go ahead and do though is I'm going to move this footage here and 0 it back out on the timescale. I'm also going to find the end of the footage and just go ahead and... Didn't mean to do that. And just reduce it. Because we don't need a bunch of empty footage. Alright, so we have my character here running away from me with giant shoes. What we could do in order to make this more believable, though, and make the character look like they belong in the scene, is we can create a light wrap. So go ahead and take your background layer, go ahead and duplicate it, and move the new duplication on top. In your effects, look up fast box blur. Drop it on top of the scene, and just raise the blurriness up a bit. Because what we're going to do is we're going to create a light wrap around our person, but we want it believable, as the light is going to bounce off surfaces in the scene and onto them. At least that's the illusion we're going to get. I'm going to go ahead and also repeat edge pixels here. Okay, so look at the layer called Set Matte and drag and drop it on. Change this take matte from layer, switch it to green screen, and select effects and mask for the source. You'll already see this a light wrap of our character here. Alright, so go ahead and look up a channel blur. And drag and drop that onto the scene and raise the alpha blurriness. Doesn't need to be a lot. I'm just going to do it slightly. I'm also going to repeat edge pixels again. That looks good. Okay, so I'm going to duplicate the set matte again and drop it down and invert the top one. And now we'll have our character in scene with a bit of a light wrap around him to make it look a bit more believable. You can raise the blur radius if you want to make our character a little darker, though, on the fast box. Which I may do a little bit. Also raise the alpha blurriness. Too much. Maybe about there. Alright. So if I go back in footage and play it through, we'll have our character running away from the scene. And that's really it for a basic green screen. I'm going to go and turn off audio, but that is really it. Thank you.